A lake once exploded and suffocated an entire village. No warning, no fire, no lava, just air. In 1986, in Cameroon, something terrifying happened at Lake Nyos. People went to sleep normally. They never woke up. The lake suddenly released a massive cloud of carbon dioxide gas. The gas was invisible, odorless, heavier than air. It rolled down the hills, silently. Over 1,700 people died in their sleep. Even animals, even birds. No struggle, no noise, just silence. Sometimes, the most dangerous things are the ones you cannot see.